This is how to cook easy delicious roast lamb. Don't forget, get the lamb from your local butcher. Pierce the lamb and insert garlic all over, okay? Squeeze lime juice first. Then insert the garlic all over. Season with salt, pepper, ground, and mixed herbs. All over, massage them thoroughly. And then splash with olive oil. Put into oven 180 degrees, 1 kilo for 1 hour to get medium rare, or if you want well done, then it will take longer. This is come from the oven, and then move into the cutting tray. Stick fork in it to check if the lamb is cooked. And look at this. Don't forget, use the juice for the gravy, okay? So the gravy will be a lot tastier. Add the juice for the gravy and keep stirring until boiling, okay? Now you have it, easy delicious roast lamb.